Hello guys, welcome back to the video. My name is Samad Shani, and today we're going to be learning this topic. We're going to be learning about solving equations. So this topic is just a whole bunch of equations you for sure must need to learn before going to algebra, because these equations are very important. Obviously you're going to have to learn more, but these are like the top priority ones that you need to learn. So as you can see over here, this is one of the more basic ones. If you're going to algebra, I mean, you should know this, but if you don't, I'm gonna explain it in this video. So as you can see right here, there's a 9 and then parenthesis w plus 5 parenthesis. These parentheses are closed, right? So they're gonna be times. You're gonna be timesing what's in. The first step is gonna be timesing what's in the parentheses. It's 9 times w equals 9w, and 9 plus times 5. Since it's positive 5 times 5 is 45. This is really easy. This should take like, you should get this down in 30 minutes, or if you're a slow learner you should get this down like an hour or two. This is really easy. Over here, this is a big part in algebra, because once you get in algebra you're going to be getting more of these questions, like a lot of these questions, and I'm going to be explaining more in depth in this video how easy it is. It kind of relates to this. As you can see, I see 9w plus 45. It's kind of these questions, and you could just add like a somehow like some kind of like number, like let's say like 40. Like, it's just, as you can see, it looks like this, right? It looks like the same question, but it's not. Okay, it's just because this is completely different. So I'm gonna erase this. So what's this? How you do it? Right here, 2x plus 4 equals 8. Right. The first step you have to do is, you can see it says plus 4, right? It has to be the opposite what you're gonna do. So plus 4 is gonna be minus 4, right? You're just gonna be, to get the answer, you're gonna do minus 4 and minus 4 here. If this was negative 4 and then you do minus, you're gonna do plus 4 over here and plus 4 over here. It's whatever the opposite of this is. You're gonna do over here and over here. As you can see, this, okay, it's gonna be positive 4, right? As you can see, it's positive 4. So I did minus 4. Alright, so I did minus 4, minus 4. Alright, I got 2x over 2, and then 4 over 2. Alright, and then the x is, so these cancels out, so the x is going to be alone, as you can see. And the 4 over 2 is still going to be here. So 4 divided by 2 is going to be 2, so x is 2. This is pretty easy once you get this down. This is like, once you get this, I'm pretty sure it'll take you way, and it's going to take you like, it's gonna be so easy for you until the end of the quarter or end of algebra. So I'm going to talk about the same question, but for having a y right next to it, because 2x and plus 4y equals 8. This is the same question, but except this one does not have a y. So 2x plus 4y equals 8, right? So what you're gonna have to do is put one of these as 0. So as you can see, I put 2 parentheses 0 parentheses. One of these have to be 0 to get one of the answers. So I put y alone. So I did 4 divided by 4 and 8 divided by 4. Since it's 2 times 0 is 0, so this doesn't really mean anything once you put a 0 in there. So it's gonna be y. So it's gonna be oh, I did a mistake here, guys. Sorry. It's gonna be 4y minus 4 and 8 minus 4. Alright, so 8 minus 4, 8 divided by 4, man. 8 divided by 4 is gonna be 2, and y is equals 2, right? You got your x. You got your x, right? And I mean, you got your y. To get your x, you're gonna have to we're gonna have to do the same thing, but for y. So you cancel out y. See, it's 0. 4 times 0 is 0, right? You got your 2. So 2, right? It's gonna be 2 divided by 2. It's 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is gonna be 4, right? And these two, as I said last time, like over here it was gonna cancel out. So x is equals 4, and this this one is also 2. So for the full answer, the full coordinate is gonna be 4 2, guys. It's gonna be 4 2. As you can see, x goes first and y goes second. It's gonna be 4 2, guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. This is the solving equation part of learning of what you're gonna need to learn in algebra.